So I just got this inflatable couch as a gift from CHILLBO that I've been wanting for a while now, because I've been wanting to take one of these like super portable inflatable chairs to things like concerts, and I'm also going camping a lot lately with our van. And I thought this would just be so perfect. And look at that, that's a really cool pattern. It came in this little bag with a handle on it, so that's super portable. So it looks like there's this drawstring that's keeping it in the bag. And we're gonna test this out and see how easy it is to put together. So this is what came in the box. It came in this bag, some instructions, some patches in case it gets a hole in it. It also came with this stake that looks nice if it's a windy day. And then here's the chair itself, which is, look how cool that pattern is. I'm super excited to set it up. All right, so I'm gonna try to get the CHILLBO inflated outside. Okay, so I think I figured it out. I think the key is that it's not going to inflate as much as you think it will before you start rolling it. The key is you have to roll it several times till you get it full enough that you feel like you can sit on it. So overall, I would say my thought on this lounger is, do you think this will be a great addition for camping? So I am looking forward to using it on our van trip. It's a little bit heavier than I expected, but that's probably a good thing because it should be a little bit more durable. As far as like how easy it was to get it blown up, it definitely took me a few tries to figure it out, but like I said, I think the key is that you're gonna roll it up more than you think. So to get it more filled with air, just roll it up a few extra times than you think that you would, and that should get it to where you want it. So far I'm pretty pleased with this item, and I'm looking forward to future uses on our camping trips.